namatay. Kasi yun guys, part 2 na to guys. Part 2. Kita nyo naman guys, oh, si Kansi guys. Lag kami guys. Kita nyo naman guys, oh. Kita nyo naman guys, oh. Mag-trade kami na guys. Kita nyo naman.
Wala kaming fruit guys, oh.
Wala kaming fruit guys, oh.
Buda yun, ah.
Oh, wow. Punta nag-jump sa guys. Ito na guys, oh. Oh guys.
Mapalabel kami guys.
Mapalabel kami guys para mag-third C guys.
Yan,
Guys, oh, third C na guys. Ito na guys, oh, third C. Ang bilis guys, no? Ito ng part 2 ng aming vlog nga. Maglalaro tayo ng Black Fruit para mag-third C guys. Kanina guys, first C lang tayo. Hanggang second C hanggang nag-third C guys, no? Kita nyo naman yan. Kung gaano yan. Kita nyo naman. Third C. Okay guys, third C na yan guys, ah. Bibigay ko sa inyo to guys. Yan guys, bibigay ko sa inyo to. Oh, third C na yan guys. Tignan nyo guys.
Pag-i-add naman ako guys, hamla.
Paki-add naman ako guys na ang name pala namin guys. Ito guys, oh, wait lang guys. Ito guys, oh. Max 90 Max 9842. Paki-add guys. Third C na yan guys, oh. Kita nyo naman guys. Ang label niya guys, oh. Kita nyo naman. Oh, kita nyo naman yan guys. Kung gaano kalaki guys. Dito na namin tatapusin ang video guys. Bye!
Ayan.